I just wanted to say hi with all of the torrential downpour going on around me currently. I didn't want you to think I was a super goof 300% of the time. I did just get done running in this rain. 45 minutes. It turned into a tempo run because for some reason I thought going faster during a timed run would make it go faster or end sooner. That is not the case. That's not true. That's a trap. It's a mental trap, guys. Mental trap. There it is. It's calming down. Anyways, I'm out at the Boston Rail Trail. Great Allegheny Passage just reopened the entire thing. There was a lot of construction going on, so it was closed for a good chunk of the year there. But May 1st it reopened. It's my favorite trail in all of Pittsburgh. The Boston Gap. And I'll link it below. I just love the noise. I love running in the rain. What do you guys think of running in the rain? It's kind of perfect, actually. If you've got the right equipment, if you've got the right shoes. It's like it's not even an issue. It's fun. It's fun. It makes you feel free. It makes me feel free. From the rainy north. Peace out.